This is video overview 1.0 for the big visible wall. First thing we'll have is an improvement to this wall Kanban board, so things we're doing to improve this visualization. This visible wall would be designed to answer these questions. So what are we doing and why with respect to the transformation? Who is the owner of the specific parts of this big visible wall? And then how are they doing, either through some type of net promoter score or satisfaction. Next part of the wall would be what is our plan. So this part of the wall would have a list of all the experiments and changes that the team and the transformation teams are working through. The next part of the wall would be how are we doing. So this is the team health reports. And then what puzzles do we need to solve. So this would be all the risks, issues, and blockers, and how we're progressing through an escalation path from teams to transformation team to the steering committee and then through to Led Zeppelin. Last part would be wins and kudos, where we would have kudo cards or stories about the successes people are having. That's a quick overview. Going into details, the what and why part, this is the VP canvas. So the transformation canvas would be posted on this wall with the changes we're making, who's affected, how are we measuring progress, and then a list of the metrics that are pulled right from the canvas. So our team happiness, our agile fluency, plus all of the business metrics that are in the canvas. The planning part would align to the pillars or the strategies. So here's the actions and items that we're doing as part of training, as part of a communication program, as part of coaching, part of informal learning. So one example is our lean coffee chats, which we did today, would get moved to the in progress. And then we would talk about how the lean coffees worked after we get into a review cycle. Going into the team health report, so this would be a visualization about how is the team doing with respect to their adoption of practices. This is a wireless signal, so what we would use like a wireless signal strength visualization that would show dimensions of skills and the maturity model, and also a happiness indicator for how the team is doing. And these would be all of the impediments. This is the escalation path, and all of our impediments and blocks would go on that big visible wall, and they would also go in Jira. So that's a quick overview. Post some questions, post some feedback, and then we will refine. See you.